Hello and welcome to this guide on the CareerSet application review tools. This software is free to access for EdChill students and can be used to gain fast, detailed feedback on CVs and cover letters. There are 3 different feedback tools available and each will be marked by a chapter for ease of use. So first of all, you want to go to careerset.com/EdChill and click Student Login. Then you want to enter your student email and you'll get this pop-up telling you to check your emails. In the email, there will be a Log Me In button. Press this and you'll be redirected to the CareerSet dashboard. As I mentioned, there are 3 different options to go through, and we'll start with the Score My CV tool. This tool gives you an in-depth review of your CV and is probably the most broadly applicable to any user. All you need to do now is upload your CV. For this example, I'm using one of the basic CV samples available on the EdChill website. Be sure to make sure your CV is in PDF format and now just wait a few moments while it's evaluated. CareerSet will give you a general overview of the strengths and weaknesses of your CV, as well as providing line-by-line analysis and a breakdown of key areas contributing to your CV's impact, brevity and style. You can use the score you receive to track your progress through different iterations of your CV. Now if we go back to the dashboard, the other option for reviewing your CV is called Target My CV. This tool allows you to tailor your feedback to a specific role. Here you can copy and paste any job description you would like, or use one of the sample descriptions. For this example, I'm going to select the accounting sample description, and again use one of EdChill's CVs. Now simply upload your CV as before and await the feedback. As you can see, the CV I used scores poorly as it wasn't written with the job description in mind, which really emphasises the importance of not having a one-size-fits-all application. For this type of feedback, CareerSet will give you a relevancy score based on which keywords you have included from the job description and which you have missed. This tool also gives tips on where you've included buzzwords or soft skills that might be better replaced with something more impactful. Going back again to the dashboard, we have a final analysis tool, Review My Cover Letter. This works similarly to the Target My CV tool in that you must copy and paste a job description or select one of the sample job roles. Now just upload your cover letter. Once again, the example I'm using won't score particularly well as it wasn't written for the job description. As you can see here, CareerSet will provide feedback similar to the Target My CV tool, with the addition of a general overview that looks at cover letter specific attributes. If you're interested, there are also cover letter templates with options to view either conventional or email style layouts. Finally, if we go back to the dashboard once more, there are a couple more resources you can utilise. The first is a log of all your previously uploaded documents to track and compare changes in your scores, and the second is a couple of CV templates for you to draw inspiration from, with an option of 1 or 2 page formats. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in your career journey.